when you go to grad school, you got to get an A, but in business, an A is going to stunt the business's growth. You just need to get things into the minimum viable readiness and put it out into the world and get going. You can always come back and revise it later.
On this episode, I have with me Aaron LeBauer. He is the host of the Cash PT Lunch Hour podcast, author of the Cash PT Blueprint, international speaker, and has helped thousands of passionate physical therapists scale their time, income, and impact without relying on insurance.
Websites were like business cards. And I had to, it was really hard to go out and build one, but website was like a business card, and I was in a big city and I didn't have enough money. I didn't have money to buy a quarter-page ad or a little 1/8 page ad in the San Francisco Chronicle, 12 weeks in a row. So I had to figure out how to market directly to the people who needed our services. And I picked up a book. It's called Guerrilla Marketing by J. Conrad Levinson. And I basically started doing what it said and just trying out everything. So the two big things I learned at that time was, one, you can't market a small healthcare practice the same way that Merck and Pfizer and Coca-Cola and Pepsi market their business. And I couldn't do it to the whole city. I had to do it to my neighborhood. So in the marina in San Francisco, I had to focus on just the neighborhood. So I started basically walking up down the street, introducing myself to as many of the business owners as possible, just putting out like a massage chair, at the health food grocery store down the street, and just doing those kinds of things. I would do it a little differently than it did, but I had to learn it, and there was no one teaching it to me. So I think the big takeaways are, we have to market directly to people who want our services. I could have succeeded faster had I had a business coach helping me know exactly what to do. Instead, I was just trying everything I could. And then the other one is persistence. It wins. I mean, it just took me a long time to figure it out, but I eventually built up enough word of mouth and referrals that it was going on its way. And as soon as I moved, I had to do it all over again, but it started up much faster.